Hello, saw your question from Chapter 6, Section 2. You're given data over here, you want to find the mean, and the sample mean and sample standard deviation. Now you can't, this goes, I think, back to Chapter 2, so it's several chapters back. You could do it by hand, which would be a little tedious. You could use calculator or StatCrunch. I just chose here to talk about how to do it in StatCrunch, or just refresh your memory. So to find the sample mean and sample standard deviation, you click on this icon and you can import the data directly into StatCrunch if you want instead of typing it in. Then you click on stats, summary stats, and column, and just like this, and then you select that column there. Then down here, statistics that you want, and this is sample standard deviation, and you click compute, and it'll calculate that for you. Now there's a formula back in Chapter 2 you could use, but it'll be a bit tedious for all this data. So I'm just showing you how you StatCrunch. Hope this helps.